Build your own volcano and make it erupted. Look, it's volcano. So cute. Okay, what are we doing
I'm gonna
next?
dump this in.
No, I already put some stuff in, Baba.
So what do we do?
We're just gonna put water in and see what happens.
Wait, right now? It's gonna blow up? OMG.
Oh, there it goes.
It's erupting, looky.
Oh my gosh, look! Call Yayo, Daniel, call Yayo. Hurry up! That's awesome, Luke.
Like that?
That is not what I was expecting.
You thought it was gonna be an explosion?
Yeah.
I was like, why are we in the kitchen? Oh, if you put more powder, it blows up more.
Well, the volcano is erupting.
Lahat na lang binlagdad.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, looky!
Look, it's farting.
That is so interesting.
What is
Luke.
that? What is that
Don't
taste?
touch it.
Don't touch it. You want to have your
That's lava. Don't touch it. It's hot.
you want to have a cut finger, Luke?
You have to cut your finger off if you touch it.
Where are the
Is it
rocks?
Is it
Oh,
actually?
the rocks.
Look, where are the rocks?
Oh, the rocks. We forgot the rocks.
Still got more powder. Why do you have paint on you? Is that the?
Oh, it's the paint right there.
And there's a warning that the stains cannot be removed in the cloth. That's why they want old papers.
All right.
Can you even touch the powder?
Oh!
There you go, Looky. That's a great
That's
gift.
paint.
That's a great Christmas, birthday and Christmas gift for kids.
Is that powder white or brown?
You smelling it, look? Huh?
Ah, don't touch it. Ready for another eruption?
All right, Looky.
Shoot.
You scared?
Is this really lava? Is this really lava?
Oh, look at that, Luke. I thought we were gonna do it outside. We ended up doing it in our kitchen.
Can we do it outside?
It's too late. What's
Too late, Baba.
Wow. The lava is
I
spreading.
wonder where she got it from. It's for your birthday. A birthday gift for
Hold on,
Luke.
hold on, hold on.
From Luca. You're gonna try?
Small amounts
No,
only.
no, no. It's enough. No, let it go. Let it go. No more.
Nice, Luke.
All right. You've been waiting how many days?
Is it hot?
4 days.
Maybe you can order this online. It's from National Geographic.
And give it as a birthday gift for Oren. What about Warren? He's gonna have a birthday on Tuesday. Is that it? That's it? That's it? No more pudding of water?
No more lava?
There might be some more in here.
Alright, do the last one.
Should I put the water?
No, there's already enough water in there.
Are you dumping it all?
Bless you.
Now it needs water. Wait, let me.
No,
It's quite dangerous, Baba.
it's not dangerous at all. Just a little bit.
Slowly,
Just a little
slowly.
bit.
There. No, that's a lot.
Yeah, see?
Oh, you lost the eruption.
You killed the eruption.
No, I didn't.
All right, that's it.
Say thank you to
Oh my
Daddy,
God.
Baba. Thank you, Dada.
You happy now? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Ah, you
What-
can't help yourself, huh?
What?